Okay, so DXY update for today, which is Monday, 29 of March. So first of all, in 2 days we have the close of the month, the close of the quarter, so we will probably see some weird moves, so we have to be a little bit more careful on what we do. Concerning DXY, well, last week I was expecting that before the week close, I posted this chart last week. We stopped here on Friday. Today we went up. I will move this drawing. Today we went up a little. And honestly, I was expecting that we could have a pullback to the 200 DMA on Friday, but we didn't. So well, that's not always perfect. So we didn't. I still think we will pull back to this area. I am quite confident on that, but we can be wrong sometimes, of course. So anyway, this area is still a strong resistance area. We have this green support that has not, this green resistance that has not been tagged yet. Then we have the next level. We know we are going to 94.50, which is the next big fib level after breaking this one. So it's unchanged on that. If we look a little bit smaller time frame, same thing. We just had this inside day fib that has been holding and playing as support and resistance on Friday, and even at the beginning of the week yesterday. No, it's Friday. So, well, we will probably see some little reaction here still, but I would like to see something, the price coming back to this 200 DMA or to this big support resistance area. So we had this height here that can be support too. Now we can just make it a little bit like this. So that's what I look for. If we look at the indicators on daily time frame, so we have our indicators here, and we see on the fast and slow stochastic we are still very high, which means I think we didn't breathe enough, we didn't pull back enough. So that's why it can go like that. We have seen in the past, but I think we will need to breathe soon, or we breathe here under this trend line or this green level. That's really what I look for, breathing, which means a pullback to this area and then the bounce. That's one of the reasons why we have a double short signal here on a daily. This signal is from today here. We don't have it on this indicator, but we have had some signal here too. So it looks it's not done yet on the pullback. We need more pullback on that. If we look on the 1 hour now, so the 1 hour on the long, on the slow stochastic, we are again on the height side. We are on the exertion side. So we should see something here. There is nothing clear yet, but those stochastic let me think that we need more pullback now. So perhaps not now, it can do a little bit higher and then pull back and come back or something like that. That's very possible. But the high time frame, like daily and weekly, if we look at the weekly, we have the same thing. We even have a signal here, but this signal can last long anyway. That's just the beginning of the series, because we can have those signals for several weeks before the price turn. But it means we can get a pullback. I'm not speaking about a turn, but now we are just looking for a pullback, and that's what I would love, because I would like to be able to have to reload some long dollars on this pullback, so either on euro dollar or other pair, up to you. But that's what I'm really looking for. So looking for a better pullback on the DXY. It can stay under the actual high. I mean, this one, we can probably stay under it. We could go a little bit further, but I don't think we'll go far away. We'll come back, reload, and then we'll go for the next leg.